So in this session, we are going to talk about identifiers in the Python. So what you mean by identifiers? The identifiers is nothing but it's a similar to the keyword. It's a similar kind of wordings, but they are not predefined in the program. They are defined by we do the writing the program when writing the program at the end user. So the definition is like that: anything you create your own wordings in the program as a variable, as a something which need to assign the value, okay, which need to get the result, then that is identifier. There are rules, okay. So for identifiers, what you see right now on the screen is all keywords, total 33, which we already discussed. Let me go to the identifiers. For example, in the program you are going to write keywords that is a variable, okay, variable. This is small v. We can also write capital V, variable. The meanings are same, but in the Python program they both are different because the Python program is case sensitive. That's what I wanted to highlight here. Python program is case sensitive, okay, means it will consider small v is one and capital V is another wordings. So that's where. So what are the other rules? So this is one rule. Second rule is we can start with these identifiers using underscore like this, okay. And third, we can start with, we are end up with the numbers. You can use the word numbers, integers in between or anything at the end. For example, variable 1 or var2. So we can use the wordings, and also we can use mix and match of small case and uppercase in the wordings. For example, underscore a b a r 1. This is also be a identifier which is defined by your side, which you are going to write the program. That's called identifier. So keywords cannot be a identifier. That is the one rule. And the second condition, another condition is the identifiers can be any length. They can be any length. Okay, no restrictions. So that is the one thing. And when you write the identifier, it should be a meaningful. For example, you can write a equals to 1, okay. Instead of that is a fruit, you mean to say you want to identify one fruit. We have apple, one fruit, a equal to 1. Instead of that, if you want to specifically wanted to mention the meaning of that count, then we can say apple underscore count equals to 1, like that, okay. So this is how we need to write the identifiers in the Python programming. Let's continue to the next topic.